The world is becoming more virtual, increasing the number of ways you can make money online. An online work-from-home situation offers a lot of perks, including flexibility, a comfortable environment, and no stressful commute. Whether you're stuck in an office and ready to make a change, or are just looking for a convenient way to make money on the side, check out this list of options on how to make money online. However, here are 4 popular and promising options for 2024. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains a cornerstone of online income generation, offering a versatile avenue for individuals to earn passive income by promoting other brands. Over the years, its popularity has fluctuated, yet it continues to be a reliable method for those seeking financial independence or supplemental earnings. What sets affiliate marketing apart is the extensive range of companies available for partnership, including industry giants like Shopify, Amazon, and Uber. Operating within this model, individuals earn commissions from sales generated through their promotional efforts. Upon enrollment in an affiliate program, participants gain access to a wide array of retail products, software, apps, and more to promote to their audience. While individual commission rates may appear modest, the ability to affiliate with multiple brands across different platforms allows for the accumulation of substantial earnings. One of the key benefits of affiliate marketing is its scalability and flexibility. Affiliates have the autonomy to select brands and products aligned with their interests and audience demographics, maximizing the potential for conversion and revenue generation. Additionally, the passive nature of affiliate marketing allows individuals to earn income continuously, even as they focus on other endeavors. As the digital landscape evolves, affiliate marketing remains a viable option for individuals seeking to monetize their online presence. With its low barrier to entry and potential for significant returns, affiliate marketing stands as a lucrative opportunity in the ever-expanding realm of online entrepreneurship. Whether as a primary income source or a supplementary stream of revenue, affiliate marketing offers the freedom and flexibility to thrive in the digital economy. 2. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube stars are today's self-made celebrities, people who have earned an audience by creating video content geared toward entertaining, reviewing, teaching, and being awesome online. If you enjoy success on YouTube, there are also many creative ways to make money, even if that may not have been your reason for starting your channel. The initial revenue stream to consider on YouTube is through advertisements. Whether you're aiming to generate income without producing videos or as a content creator, joining the YouTube Partner Program, YP, and activating monetization is crucial. To qualify, you must agree to adhere to YouTube's monetization policies and reside in a region where the YP operates. Eligibility requirements include reaching 1,000 subscribers and accumulating 4,000 watch hours in the past year, or 1,000 subscribers along with 10 million valid public shorts views within the last 90 days. To enable monetization, sign into your YouTube account, access YouTube Studio, navigate to monetization under other features in the left menu, agree to the YP terms, and either create or link a Google AdSense account. Set your monetization preferences accordingly. Afterwards, check your revenue estimates in the Analytics tab by selecting Revenue and reviewing the monthly estimated revenue chart to gauge your anticipated YouTube earnings. 3. Freelancing. Freelancing offers many online income possibilities for various skills and interests. Here are some examples of the most popular freelance roles. Web design and development. Make money as a freelancer by building websites for clients, or specialize in creating sites on a specific website builder, like Wix. You'll also need to make your own freelance website to showcase the websites you've created and your specific skills or niche. Check out web designer Alia Black's website. Her freelance work focuses on Wix sites. Websites are a huge part of many businesses' marketing and brand efforts, and there's huge demand for the creation and management of them. Virtual assistants. As more and more work can take place online and remotely, virtual assistance has become an increasingly popular way to make money as a freelancer. Starting a virtual assistant business involves providing administrative support to businesses. It could be answering calls for them, organizing paperwork or spreadsheets, or even bookkeeping for more specialized needs. A great way to make money with this type of freelance work is by creating packages of your services to ensure consistent income and to retain clients. You can also offer tiered pricing for different levels of administrative support. Graphic designer. If you are passionate about art, consider becoming a freelance graphic designer. Crafting stunning visuals for logos, posters, and advertisements is among the best ways to make money online for creatives. Video production. Video is in high demand, both from marketing agencies and big brands. Because of this, creating and producing video content can be an effective way to make money as a freelancer. It can be promotional videos for product launches, educational content for brands, or advertisements for small and large businesses. You can offer end-to-end services from scriptwriting to post-production, or just parts of the process, for example, just the scriptwriting, or just the filming, depending on your specific skills. Find freelance work on platforms like Fiverr, TopTal, and Upwork for online income or full-time self-employment. Explore diverse remote job listings, including virtual assistant roles, on our virtual job board. Earnings vary based on expertise, location, and demand, with skilled freelancers making hundreds to thousands per project. Freelancing offers scalability and high earning potential for experienced professionals. 4. Create Etsy store. Etsy is a popular online marketplace for handmade and vintage goods. If you're creative and have a knack for making unique products, starting an Etsy shop can be a great way to turn your hobby into a profitable business. Before diving into the nitty-gritty of setting up your shop, it's crucial to lay the groundwork for success. Here are 4 essential preparatory steps. Embarking on Etsy requires meticulous market research to discern product demand and understand your target demographic. Analyze trends, pinpoint market gaps, and align your product range accordingly for optimal appeal. Establishing a niche within the platform is crucial for attracting a loyal customer base and distinguishing your offerings amidst competition. Forge a robust brand identity encompassing your shop's ethos, reflected in its name, logo, and aesthetic, resonating with your intended audience. Navigate legal and financial considerations diligently, ensuring compliance with regulations and strategic financial management. This holistic approach sets a solid foundation for sustainable growth and success on Etsy's bustling marketplace. Setting up your Etsy shop. Once you've completed the preparatory steps, you're ready to set up your Etsy shop. Here are the 7 main steps to follow. To start selling on Etsy, begin by creating a free account and choosing a catchy shop name that reflects your brand. Next, list your products with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. Establish clear shop policies covering shipping, returns, and customer service. Set up secure payment processing and develop a shipping strategy. Market your shop actively through social media, email, and SEO, and prioritize excellent customer service for lasting success. Starting an Etsy shop requires dedication, creativity, and a strategic approach. By following these steps and continuously refining your shop based on customer feedback and market trends, you can increase your chances of success on Etsy and turn your passion into a thriving business. Remember, building a successful online income stream takes time and effort. Be sure to choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests, and focus on creating value for your target audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.